If you could flush years of toxins from your body using 4 natural herbs, would you start today? Or wait until your health forces you to? Because what you're about to read isn't just about your liver, it asks about how to reignite your vitality, clear your skin, boost your mood, and restore the balance your body has been begging for. Your liver is your body's most underrated hero. It never stops filtering blood, breaking down fats, balancing hormones, and neutralizing toxins 24 hours a day. But in modern life, this hero is under siege. Processed food, alcohol, stress, pollution, lack of sleep. Eventually, your liver gets sluggish, tired, and overloaded, and when that happens, you feel it. Fatigue, bloating, brain fog, mood swings, acne, or just that heavy, off feeling that never goes away. Here's the truth. When your liver is burdened, your entire body slows down. But when it's clean, everything starts to flow. Energy, clarity, happiness, and even weight loss. And the best part? Nature has already given us the tools. For ancient herbs, time-tested, science-backed, and shockingly powerful, can cleanse, repair, and recharge your liver from within. Let's unlock them. 1. Milk thistle, the golden armor of the liver. Meat milk, thistle psyllium, Marayanum, the most researched liver-healing herb on earth. Its active compound silymarin is a powerhouse antioxidant that shields liver cells from toxins and helps regenerate damaged tissue. Think of your liver as a fortress. Milk thistle rebuilds its walls and polishes its shields. Silymarin enhances cell regeneration, stabilizes liver enzymes, and helps detoxify alcohol, drugs, and pollutants more efficiently. Even clinical studies show that milk thistle can improve liver function in people exposed to heavy toxins or dealing with fatty liver conditions. How to use: take in capsule form or drink as tea, best consumed before meals. What to expect: boosted energy, smoother digestion, and a lighter, cleaner feeling throughout your body. 2. Dandelion root, the silent detox warrior. What most people see as a pesky garden weed is actually a detox hero. Dandelion root taraxacum officinale supports liver function by increasing bile flow, which helps your body break down fats and flush toxins efficiently. It also acts as a mild diuretic, helping your kidneys eliminate waste faster, creating a dual cleansing effect. Dandelion is rich in potassium, iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K, nutrients that restore balance and vitality. Imagine your liver as a sponge. Dandelion squeezes out the excess, leaving it fresh and ready to filter again. How to use: brew a tea from the roots or mix powdered dandelion into smoothies. What to expect: reduced bloating, glowing skin, better digestion, and a deep sense of renewal. 3. Artichoke, the fat-burning protector. The artichoke Cannara scalamus is more than a delicious vegetable. It's one of the most complete liver-protecting plants known. It's packed with citrin, a compound that stimulates bioproduction and helps your liver break down fats quickly and efficiently. Artichoke also helps lower bad cholesterol (LDL) while boosting good cholesterol (HDL), reducing fat accumulation in the liver and improving overall metabolism. It's often called the metabolic housekeeper because of how effectively it sweeps toxins and excess fat from the body. How to use: boiled, steamed, or as a concentrated extract in capsules. What to expect: better metabolism, reduced fat buildup, lighter body, sharper mind. For boldo, the digestive guardian, originating from South America, boldo pumice, boldus is a classic remedy for sluggish digestion and liver overload. Its key compound, boldine, enhances bile secretion and supports enzyme function, making it easier for your body to process fats and eliminate toxins. Boldo is perfect after heavy meals or periods of indulgence, as it soothes bloating and discomfort. It's also rich in antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative stress. However, moderation is key. A little boldo goes a long way. How to use: tea made from dried leaves or as a standardized supplement. What to expect: easier digestion, less heaviness, and a sense of clarity from within. Amplify the healing power. Herbs are incredibly effective, but they work best when you create the right environment for them. That means supporting your liver with smart habits. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Eat fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, and bitter greens like arugula or kale. Avoid alcohol, refined sugar, and processed fats. Sleep deeply. Your liver regenerates primarily while you rest. Within a few weeks, your body starts to shift, your energy rises, your skin brightens, digestion becomes effortless, and you wake up lighter and clearer. That's your liver saying thank you. The ancient intelligence of nature. The art of cleansing the liver isn't a new detox trend. It's an ancient ritual, a conversation between nature and your body. These herbs don't force your liver to work. They teach it to work better, restoring natural rhythm and balance. Traditional healers across cultures, from Ayurvedic masters to indigenous shamans, used these plants to renew life force. Science is only now catching up to what ancient wisdom already knew. The body is designed to heal, as long as we give it the right tools. Each herb acts like a note in a song together. They create harmony within your system. A fresh start for your whole being. Close your eyes and imagine waking up with genuine energy, not from caffeine, but from your own body running clean and smooth. Imagine clear skin, bright eyes, and a peaceful mind. That's what happens when your liver is free. It's not just detox, it's rebirth. Every sip of herbal tea, every capsule of plant extract, is a promise to yourself to live lighter, longer, and with purpose. When your liver is pure, your emotions stabilize, your thoughts clear, and your life force flows freely again. Because your liver doesn't just process toxins, it processes life itself. Your liver is your body's engine, fuel it with nature today, and watch your life ignite from the inside out.